is a major industrial hub, right? And there are a lot of big automotive companies over there. So this will give us access to better supply chain. It will give us access to talent, and it will also, in a way or another, have a very good infrastructure that will allow us to move products within India in a faster way, but opportunity to export as well.
We have a wide range of products manufactured across different countries, and one good thing about our product is it is manufactured under one roof. So that is the key uniqueness what we have. If you look at the product bifurcation, we have mild steel. Under mild steel, we have the modular enclosures, we have wall mount enclosures, and many more products which are coming up into the basket.
This facility is bigger. We have a better material flow. We are organized in processes. That means we have our material will go through the factory better speed, again to reduce this lead time. The most important thing, we will implement also lean concept. We have enough place to put this kind of tools in our factory.
Advantage of this facility will be most of the processes are insourced, which was earlier outsourced. And second advantage, we have the state-of-art equipments and machines which can manufacture the same product we are manufacturing globally as nVent. So you can expect the same quality with a better improved lead time.
Customer is always our first preference when we want to support them as a customer first approach, and main focus for us was to support our global account and national accounts in India. They were looking for local support so that we can have a local availability of the products, lesser lead time, cost competitiveness, and of course the faster reaction time for the new developments. I think customer is going to encash it very well because we'll be locally available to support them.
This is an exciting time when we have this bigger plant, and the kind of products we are going to offer in the Indian market is definitely going to set the standards quite high. For the customers, it's like giving whatever they require, maybe international standard products. So you go to the European market, American market, the same kind of high technical products we are offering to the customers under one roof. This is something which is not very common in the market. It's a statement, and we are here to stay.
It is very optimistic. Everyone is very encouraging, supporting. People definitely look forward to us. They want us to grow. So yes, nVent's environment is very encouraging. I don't know, it's really very nice. I'm very optimistic about the environment which we get in nVent.
The landscape is quite bigger here. From the footprint point of view, we are almost 3 to 4 times bigger than the old plant. And from the capacity point of view, it gives adaptability. And then of course, we bring all the latest technologies based on lean processes, which means we will adopt more what customer needs, as in on processes, as in on the results that will drive them.